What's up, YouTube? Student Survival here. I know we haven't been around for a while, but we're back. And in this video, we've got a couple things to show off.
Alright guys, sorry we haven't done a preps of the week in a while, and we do have quite a few things we've picked up that we're going to show here soon. Been really busy in the process of getting ready for a move, as well as working quite a bit and dealing with extreme heat, very hot temperatures outside. For today we're just going to show a couple camelus knives that we picked up. The first one is a 1984 Pilot's sheath knife. Not going to remove this from the packaging just yet. You guys have all seen these. Ontario makes them, Camelus makes them. As you can see here, this one's stamped 1984 Camelus cutlery. These are great knives to have. Used to be issued to the pilots. They come with a little sharpening stone, a leather wrapped handle, leather sheath. You guys have all seen these. Over here is another Camelus TL29 pocket knife, and I can't find a date on this, but for its age, I know it's in great shape, and I know it's an older knife just based on the fact that it is a Camelus made version of the TL29. US Air Force medical module that goes with their survival kit. We're going to open here today and see the contents on that. It has an expiration date on it of April 30th, 2019, which is just fine because I know the contents are still plenty good. You can pick these up on eBay or any number of places. The NSN number on this, if anybody's interested, 6545-01-534-0925. So we'll go ahead and tear this open and just see what's inside. Alright, looks like it's got a little separate bag inside of the original foil sealed package. It says the same thing with the NSN and expiration dates and so forth. So let's see what's inside. A couple of large safety pins. Have some sort of chem light. Right there's the bread and butter of the kit, which is the Quick Clot Combat Gauze. If you look around, you can find deals on these kits, and depending on what you pay for it, that Quick Clot Gauze alone is pretty much worth the price of the kit. Also, here we see a very nice H&H bandage on top. Like I say, as far as these expiration dates go, that's just a formality and legality for as far as government contracts and sales and things. As long as this stuff is properly stored, anything in here is probably going to be good for several years. Here we have a Cerolite 70 rice-based oral electrolyte drink mix. So throw that in some water. Bug X 30D insect towelette. Sun X towelette, a couple sunscreen wipes, some band-aids, regular moist towelette, camo bandage, camo wrap, foam
I think it's tape.
wrap, self-adhesing bandage, reusable if it's you know, not destroyed or get wet or something. Backcitration zinc ointment, 2 of those it looks like. Now these chem lights I'm not familiar with. I haven't had this this style before. I've seen these in videos and stuff online, and other than that, I've not really played with them. We may do a separate video and test this out at night, see if the thing even still works, and if so, exactly what it does. A couple of nice large safety pins, always good to have. So not a whole lot in this kit, but what is here I think is good bargain for the price. You can get these anywhere from $30 and up. It just depends where you go and what you want to pay. just thought we'd give you guys a quick look at it today, and thanks for watching.